Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell you how to program a Roger gate motor. Now motor we are connected already with the power, and we make one jumper from common to FT1. If you when you're going to install the motor, so there you have to connect a common wire here, photocell, and the signal wire will be here. So in the meantime we are not connected the photocell, and we make a jumper from common to FT1. So first of all you have to do this, and after that you will check your motor direction. So for that you have to go with the in the logic state, and that you have to select from here 7101. So first you have to select 7101, and here this one is 7101. And now this, if you have a 01, if you stand out inside your house, so your motor will be on right side. If your motor gate is opening on right side, you should keep it on 01. And if your motor is on left side, you have to bring here with this selecting 00, and you leave it for 1 or 2 seconds, so it will be stable, and this is now memorized. So now your motor is set on left side opening. After that if you have to set closing time if you like. So closing time you will set, you have to bring here 21 by pressing this buttons, and when it will be on 21, so we now selected, we change this default time is 30 seconds. So this is 30 seconds. If you like to increase more, you can select from here, but now we will set on default, and this is 30 seconds. So we'll have to leave same time like this, and we have to leave it until it be memorized. So now it's memorized. Now you have to program, you have to close your gate completely and lock this motor, and from here you come like this. Now we are telling you how to program auto set. So you have to press it this for long time, it will appear here AP like this. You have to leave it, and then you press it again, the motor will start running. And this is going now to open the gate. So once the gate is open, you have to uh, fix the limit switch first. We are pressed now this, and it will be now stop, and now it's again closing the gate. Now it's closing the gate, and we have to press it, we have to push this button again, so it will stop. So this is now your motor is programmed. Now you can test it. It is already programmed now. So while you normally start, the gate will be open, and in next video we are going to tell you how to program the remote.